My name's Brendan Cormier. I'm a senior design curator at the Victoria and Albert Museum. The Moulton bicycle was designed by Alex Moulton, who was an engineer and an inventor. What's really interesting about the Moulton bicycle is that when it came onto the market, it looked unlike anything you'd ever seen before. Bicycles generally innovated a lot in the 19th century, but by the 1890s, up until the 1960s, the bicycle more or less stays the same. Bicycles weren't very convenient to go commuting with, so he thought we needed to make a bicycle that would be more compact and more portable. He was really interested in trying to come up with ways to make the wheels smaller. But when you make wheels smaller, you get a bumpier ride, for instance. And so he had to invent a new way to make that smooth. And so he added suspension to the front and to the rear, which was something that had never been done before. But he also saw that bicycles were, in general, difficult to get on top. And so by creating kind of this universal low frame, it meant that both men and women could use it just as easily. But the low frame also meant that if you were younger, you could still ride it. So it was an incredibly flexible kind of way of thinking about a bicycle. He also thought about different ways you could make the bike more portable. So he came up with a way to detach the bike in two. What the example with Moulton shows you is that you can almost look at any kind of commonplace piece of design and with some ingenuity and with some thought can come up with new ways of interpreting it.